Sanibonani babukeli nabathandi bayo iTsogo TV neWTV City. Sekunjalo kwaze kanjalo kusazoba njalo ngisho njalo ngithi phela sengenayo umalume kaKarabo udirile nobunono ngisho kona ukuthi bazukulu bethu basaphila nebakhulile mashallah. uNkulunkulu usabenze kahle ngithi mina bafowethu sisesenjalo sisesekhona la sikhona khona isigodlweni enkangala ngihlezi nayo umfowethu ithwini lami othomunye ngithi mina sihlanganisanga amagayi ihlahla sahlanganisa idlozi kanti nenhliziyo zethu ziyahlangana ngokusho njalo ngithi mina kusazonjalo kusazoba njalo sithi kulomnyaka sivala sithe no asikwazi ukuvala bangasibonanga sisonke ukuthi kanti kwenze njani kanti uBrakB okay phela babukeli ayi bayaqabanga bakubuza ukuthi nosicabananga bathi hayi uzomuye yeah ubhala comment babalwele badela abantu bakabene hambona uKP akasayingeni uyenze kwakhe nabanye abantu ambone noprof naso sishanga ama live every day
uNjoji Nkwamaza
bathi uNjoji Nkwamaza
senginyaka mina
yeah
sengicala ipractice yami
sengicala ipractice hey bantu bakhuluma izinto zabo I just wanna remind ababukeli beTsogo and WTV ukuthi sasho ukuthi uKP siyenza into ekuthiwa uyafunda and ukufunda kokwenza into akusho ukuthi lo muntu mafundile angeke ukupractice kuyofuna naye agcina ayipracticeile ngoba ufuna ulwazi malifuna ulwazi aphinda afunda umuthi mina nje specially ngifuna uqamba manga ngimthatha uBrakB sibe sikhathi kunosikhathi ngika ngantshela babukeli last ngathi sidla umuntu noKP asidla umuntu kuphela sidla umuthi siufunde uma ngithi sibe sibuye emahlathini ila kugujwa khona imithi uthi hey KB lo muthi lo uhlabela imbuzi before ukha lo muthi lo uma ungabhayiza imamba yakushaya so zonke lezo zinto lezo ukunikeza umunye ulwazi ukuthi nakusasa uma ungasekho emhlabeni asithi uNkulunkulu ukhumbula mina kuqala bantwana bami bathatha umsebenzi bobuza abantu ukuthi ngoba eyami inyanga yafa bobuza abantu ukuthi mara upapa bekenza njani kanti KB masaphila elini papa lona bayetsa so and then ulwazi lola alufu liyaphila ngiyabonga
okay guys, welcome back to another Dabula/Tsogo TV edition. Like we said, beginning of the year sizwenza okuningi for 2025. Unfortunately saladi avoa, but we're here now and then Ratwalla. I'm happy to be here, the place that guys, you know, like Maniti, yo guys, I wish we had a video of the first day is like Maniti.
Yeah.
There's no way guys I can abandon this place. This is where I'm a power arm tired. Sometimes Babala, I'm a patient. So there's no way, guys. Prof is my guy. The story stays the same. Without this man, I wouldn't be here. Without this man, I wouldn't have all the things that I have, from material things to other stuff that I cannot mention. So we're here, 2026. It's a documentary that we are going to be releasing, but more on that later. I'm back. He's back. We're here. It's too many listen that we're about to talk about Konamanje. I mean, I want to know. Version 2, food. Sigupi, speteni, whatever. I'm even afraid where I have to mail.
Yeah.
I'm telling you to Prof. telling her. We're in food, Prof.
Yes.
What's the story this time?
Brakb bantu bayasaba isigubhu. This nowadays umuntu vele ungathumtshela ngesigubhu. Uthe isigubhu athe mfo ngina 30 endlini yegubhu manje asingisebenze. Uthi okay thatha iphonda. Athi hey Prof amaphonda ngina 70. Uthi ha uthuke Prof kanti yini wathi ungasitsheli ukuthi ifood lisebenza njani ngathi no ifood likhona hayi ukuthi liphelile likhona nje abantu abaningi na Brakb namhla ngifuna ukubatshela imfihlo babukeli beTsogo neDabula imfihlo kaProfessor CM Lukhuleni ihlezi efudwini le fudu ngifuna ukuthi mangithi imfihlo eningihlezi efudwini ifood Brakb lihamba slowly but surely la liyakhona liyofika so angijahanga ndawo that is why mangithatha khuluma ngefood ukuthi imfihlo yami sefood ngeke ngahlala phansi ngabheka ifood mangibheka ifuthi ungalibona ukuthi okay right kunabantu abaningi namhlanje especially inyanga uthwasa namhlanje you want to be known njengomuntu owenza izinto ezinkulu or ufuna ukuduma ngesecond mangadumi ngesecond bese uthi gobela uvalile ifuthi lihamba kancane mawubuka mina from 94 until namhlanje ngihambe einyaweni zani zefuthi so nesithwalo sofuthi lithi kimi into uma umuntu athi ngifuna ukuphumelela ngiphila impilo ende ningafi but ngifuna ukuba nemali ngingazeke ngifuna ukuba nento zami ngithi thatha ifudu liyokuhambisa likuyise ezintweni ozifunayo without ukuthi usheshe uhambe kodwa linempilo ende lihamba kancane but sure.
Okay, all right, masingene kuma practicals manje. Before that lento lesithwalo yini kahle kahle
ufudo bracket isithwalo sofudu.
Okay,
ifudu bracket ingahamba 200 years ingahamba 100 years ukuthi izofika empilweni yakho, you understand, or ikuphushe for 70 years ulokhu unayo mara abantu basho ukuthi mara le ndoda le hey yona mara iKB waqala ngathi uyadlala mara niyambona ukuthi ukubi manje ifudu lelo into ezokuthatha bantu bakunake kulate so late but mabakhuluma akufuni but iKB uvela funa bathe iKB yena uqala thengisa amatamati ngo19 or ngo2000 but manje la matamati so unensimu yakhe noma neplaza yakhe yamatamati la function anikeza khona maybe ama factories or whatsoever inkulumo yakho iyakhulumeka ayifani nenye izinto zokuthi zikulethela amehla abantu athi ba
yes. Okay, fine. So fine, we've established istwala. That's fine. Another question is, so it means good if mina ngifuna food i-mindset yami uzoba ukuthi ngifuna ukukhuphuka ngale business or ngifuna ukukhuphuka kule career or ngifuna ukukhuphuka kule lento ngiyenzayo but over a long period ne i-question or mhlawumbe mina because mina ngithanda into esishesha i-question engizoyibuza as a typical person watching this thing would be why ngafuna ukuthi into zami zihambe slow, like because I understand is it because it's less dangerous if into zami zihamba slow or is it something that has to come from me ukuthi angijahanga? I just want to understand that part.
Brakebi if umuntu othi ngifuna ukuphila ibusiness la forever noma ngifuna into zami zihambe kungalimali bantu noma kungalimali mina,
okay,
and mina angifuni ukuduma kusasa mehluko nawo,
okay,
angifuni into yokuthi iyongifakela amehla abantu awona futhi uma lijika jika la ekhaya no one will say hey ifudu isilwane sizidlela nje ilethisi nje ngofita nje kuphela ilethisi iyenza izinto zakho. Into ekhona ithi umuntu ofuna ifudu ufuna ukuphakama but ukuphakama kwakhe akafuni ukumfakela emehlo abantu,
okay,
and akufuneki into ukuthi hey soda uKB in 2 months so nemali engaka so hamba ngama Rolls Royce hayi khona KB uthwele so angisho sibalekisale le content ekuthwala namehlo,
okay,
ifuthi kahlahle akusile abantu abathi sifuna into manje,
okay,
ngifuna abantu abathi prof I want to see myself there in 2027 or 2026 end of the year ngifuna bangibone abantu ukuthi ngilapha but angifuni njengoba kunento esikupha yona manje in 3 months time book,
okay,
2 months time book uyayibona.
That's
Yes,
fine. All right, I think okay, let me ask the second part of into ngibuzi. So because ihamba slow, does that mean ukuthi it's less dangerous compared to ezinye ithwala?
yes 100%.
All right, sure, ngeke ngubuyeke lapha. So if it's less dangerous than ezinye ithwala and it takes long, does that mean ukuthi lento le ayinasipoko ngaphakathi?
No, ayinaso isipoko ngaphakathi ngoba ayikho is less dangerous. You know, Brakebi, if
No, Prof. We're not tricking a macam. Need to go. Because it's slow, because it's box ashesha.
yeah. Ayinaso.
Tell us okay. Thank you. Okay. The first version of food. If you bengafuni ezinyithwala endlini, bengafuni inyanga endlini, and more especially inyoka. This one, if benginenyoka, because I remember you used to say if you pet inyoka specifically or some type of animal, finally you must disclose finally ube nomsebenzi first before 30 food. Is this one different or is it the same thing yokuthi finally if bengiphethe inyoka ushaya into zakho kuqala before unike food, or this one is different?
No, Brakebi, ifutu namanje abantu abanalo kusesenjalo. Into ekhona Brakebi, ngithe kuwe ifutu baze ngiwathi ngilibuyise ngikhulumise. Ngingawuse bakhathele isigubhu.
Yes.
So umuntu asithi bekathethe inyoka kumele simclean vele simsuse naye ayosusa lezo zinto lesiziphendula ukuthi zingamlimazi and then sikubulale kuphume emzimbeni wakhe bese siyamenzela ke sesithi qhubeka nalento le yefudu ngoba ufudu alifuni vele omunye linesikhwele noma ungalibona lihamba kancane manje linesikhwele esinye esiheavy sokuthi asifuni lutho emzimbeni wakhe sifuna uKB negazi lakhe zikwazi ukuconnecta bashoshobe bayakhona.
But the question that I have, I mean, we are I mean, as na muti nyoka zam guys, please stop commenting with me and lawyer again. Lo baba lo angiya nyoka se please. If nyoka like me for as pets, will that be a problem?
Yes, because of remember if you have that food endly, welibona lelenza liyahamba. Alithi liyahamba lifike lithi kiki lapha inyokini. Problem lokukwatela bese limusha izinto zakho.
Okay. All right. Okay. I'm a pricing Banjo.
No, it's told us a food to Brakebi C-date deposit in 15.
Okay. C-date deposit is 15.
15.
Okay, so it's cheaper than the last version.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
So ukhumbule Brakebi le food uyakwazi ukuhamba nalo uyakwazi ukusebenza lisale la. So angeke ngikuphi into engizoyifida mina bese ucede lapho mayihleli la ekhali kahle ufuna ngihlukanise lokho mangabe uhamba nalo ngilo 30 but if ihlala la ekhali ngilo 40 ukuthi ngikwazi ukulifida mina.
Okay.
But mangabe uhamba nalo 15 deposit lokwenza niba kahle.
All right, Nizwele, call Prof on the 081 number. Not the 063 or 067, as I Kumbul, the other one. Because even today, people still call that number. I know it's partly my fault because I still have those old videos. But it's a silent up. All right. Prof, see you.
Merry Christmas.